Welcome back, HARBRO, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, those prices. We've been so busy with the 10 days of deals. We have the new super coupons starting tomorrow already. New super coupons starting tomorrow, going through April 13th. If you find this useful or helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. I think like 80% of you aren't subscribed who watch. I appreciate it a lot. Consider hyping, consider joining, becoming a member, consider getting some merch. $50 and more free shipping. Anyways, links are in the description. Let's jump into super coupons. We haven't done this in a bit. We'll go over them all. Starting with a Hercules alert. Hercules alert, 15 amp, 42 pound, 1 1/8 inch hex lower wall breaker, hammer with max vibration control, $450, $50 off, bit sold separately. That's 10% off. Remember, HARBROs, or if you're new here, this is how we gauge. We have 2 rules. We'll have to actually write a rule book. 2 rules. Minimum, maybe 3 rules. If you're going to shop at Harbor Freight, always have a coupon. Always have a coupon. Unless you absolutely need something, then of course the prices at Harbor Freight are still really good. But always try to have a coupon. There are 15% coupons and 20% coupons, and even sometimes 10% coupons that happen throughout the year. And if not, there's sales going on every single day at Harbor Freight. That's rule number 1. Always use a coupon. Rule number 2 is minimum, we should be seeing 15% off any item. If you're gonna get something at Harbor Freight and you have the time to be patient, minimum you should be getting is 15% off, because there's always 15% off coupons. Sometimes there's 20% off coupons, and then if you sign up via email, you're gonna get a 25% off coupon here and there. And that is, of course, I kind of already said it. Rule number 3 is unless you are absolutely in need, then you could go in and get something less than 15%. But anyways, that is the HARBRO PSA. $50 off is only 10% off, so only if you really need it. Next, Hercules. Alert again, 15 amp, 12.5 inch portable thickness planer, $350, down from $400, $50 off. Again, that's just slightly over 10% off. Bauer, 10-inch 5-speed bench drill press with light at $140, normally $170, $30 off. Bauer 7.5 amp, half-inch low-speed spade handle drill mixer, $50, 23% off, only $65. Bauer 5-inch hook and loop universal pattern sanding discs, 5-pack, $450, 25% off, only $6. Hercules 14.5 amp, 23 pound SDS Max type demolition hammer with max vibration control, $350, down from $400, $50 off. Very similar for each Hercules deal so far. Then we have Bauer 8.5 amp, 1-inch SDS Plus type variable speed rotary hammer, $90, $25 off, normally $115. And we have a few Bauer 8 amp, 4.5 inch trigger grip angle grinder at $30, $35 off, 14% off. And Bauer again, 15 amp, 3.8 horsepower, 14 inch abrasive cutoff saw at $120, $40 off. We will bring the calculator out because that at first glance sounds like a great deal. $40 off of $160. Probably didn't need it. It's 25% off. As I typed it in, 25% off. Super solid deal there. We keep going. Bauer carbide router bit set, 15 piece, 13% off, $33, normally $38. And then we have Meguiar's 32 ounce mirror glaze pro speed compound, $25, 16% off, normally $30. Bauer 5.3 amp, half inch, 18 inch band file belt sander, $45, normally $55, 18% off. We have Warrior 7 amp, 3 inch by 21 inch variable speed belt sander at $30, $35 normally, 14% off. And always handy to have if you don't have one. Here's the Bauer 4-volt cordless 1/4 inch screwdriver with integrated flashlight kit with 4 insert bits and wall charger, 15% off. Grant's 5-inch to 6-inch terry microfiber and fleece polishing bonnets, 4-pack, $4, only $6, 33% off. With a Warrior 1-inch to 2.5 inch carbon steel hole saw set, 10 piece, $10, 16% off. And the Warrior again, 18-inch ship auger bit set, 3 piece, 15% off, $16.99. You have Chief 3-inch by 1/16 inch by 3/8 inch type 0141 cutoff wheels, 5-pack, $4, only $6, 33% off there. Hercules alert. Have I seen the HARBROs asking about this one? Hercules alert, 20 volt, 2.5 inch brushless cordless variable speed compact band saw. I feel like there was a HARBRO asking. Here's the band saw, tool only, 90 bucks, normally 110, $20 off. I think that's just above our threshold, but below the 20%. So let's see, $20 off. It is below 20%. Off of 110, 18, almost 19% off. So not a bad get if you've been waiting for this. I figured the best you can do normally is a 20% off, or if you get 25% off in your email. Chief 4-inch by 1/16 inch by 3/8 inch type 014 cutoff wheels, 0141 cutoff wheels, 5-pack, normally $6, normally $8, 25% off. You have Grant's 7-inch rotary pad, your choice, $8. Choice of finish waffle foam, wool buffing, polishing waffle foam, normally $12, 33% off. And we have Warrior 15 amp 10-inch table saw at $140, normally $150, $10 off. The Diamondback 15 amp 10-inch wet tile saw with sliding table and extended rip capacity down to $460, normally $480, only $20 off. And I wish I was doing this on my Canva board because I would give it a radioactive sign. That's 4% off, just above 4% off. Hercules alert, 12 amp variable speed fixed base router with plunge base kit, $100, normally $120, $20 off. Chicago Electric 7.5 amp 3¼ inch planer with dust bag, $43, 14% off. Hercules 4.5 inch by 5.5 inch quarter sheet sandpaper with ceramic alumina grain, 5-pack, $2, normally $4, 50% off. Great deal on those. Going on to some hand tools, we have Pittsburgh offset box and wrench set, 8-piece, $15, normally $19, 21% off. Choice of SAE or metric is nice. Quinn's 1/2-inch drive SAE and metric chrome socket and ratchet set, 21-piece at $25, normally $33, 24% off is good. Central Machinery 2.5-inch table swivel vise at $20, normally $23, 13% off. Pittsburgh's 8-pound fiberglass sledgehammer at $20, normally $27, 25% off. We have Pittsburgh screwdriver set, 22-piece screwdriver set, $8, 33% off, normally $12. What a set compared to Cobalt. We have Quinn 1/2-inch drive chrome deep socket set, 10-piece at $15, 21% off. O'Doyle alert, O'Doyle rules, 65-pound cast steel anvil at $120, $20 off, normally $140. We have Icon Professional Universal Joint Socket Adapter Set, Icon alert, 3-piece, 25% off is great. For Icon, that's what the sales go up to. Normally $40, down to $30. Great deal. Now a Pittsburgh 16-ounce ball peen hammer at $4, normally $6, 33% off, also a great deal. Going to air tools and compressors, 1.5-gallon Central Pneumatic gravity feed texture air spray gun, $20, normally $30, 33% off. Merlin straight air chuck with lock-on lever, $329, normally $4, 17% off. Then Merlin's 32-ounce air compressor oil at $8, 20% off. We have McGraw 20-gallon 135 PSI oil lube vertical shop auto air compressor at $210, $40 off. Only $250. That requires some mathematics. 16% off is okay, above our minimum, but below our 20%. Central Pneumatic 3/8 inch 50-foot retractable hose reel at $66.99. Are they messing with me? $66.99, almost nice. Normally $90, 25% off. And the Extreme XT brand new 1-inch composite pistol grip air impact wrench, $280, normally $330, $50 off. We have US General alert, the 5-outlet magnetic power strip with metal housing, new color purple. That's pretty cool. $27, 20% off, normally $34. Solid deal. But I feel like that's gone up in price. But $27. Good deal. Like I got it in black, and that's about the price I got it for. Yukon 12-inch zipper utility pouch, $2, normally $3, 33% off. Hercules 17-inch tool tote with 19 pockets, $28, 24% off. US General magnetic socket rail with twist lock, your choice, a lifetime warranty. Choice of 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, or 1/2 inch, $18, normally $22, 18% off. Storehouse in the house. 30-bin wall mount parts rack at $15, 25% off, normally $20. And then Bauer 18-inch roller tool bag, $69.99 is nice. Only $90, 22% off, except for these bags. They just had an incredible deal. We have 40% off all tool bags, totes, and backpacks. So if you're not subscribed, we made a video on this so you know what day those deals are coming up. Subscribe so you know what's coming out, when it's coming out, and then at that point, hopefully you're able to take the time off or you're not too busy. But those are just 40% off, 22% off. Those, it's not bad. Continuing, Badland ZXR 12,000 pound truck SUV winch with wire rope, $300, normally $350, $50 off. Viking 1000 peak amp multifunction jump starter, and power pack with 150 psi air compressor, $80, normally $100, 20% off, $20 off. Pittsburgh R134A AC manifold gauge set, $50, normally $65, 23% off. Cover Pro 10-foot by 20-foot portable car canopy, $120, normally $130, only $10 off. We have Daytona Alert 2,500 pound capacity professional steel vehicle dollies 2-piece, $65, normally $88, 26% off, super solid. Then we have an Icon Alert, the T8 Professional Intelligent Diagnostic Scanner at $850, normally $900, $50 off. I don't know, that's like it's 4,000 Rotskin. We've brought in the good decimeter. Pittsburgh 2.5 CFM vacuum pump, $80, normally $95, $15 off. Maddox brand new MR16 advanced 4.3-inch screen OBD2 code reader, $230, normally $250, $20 off. Badland ZXR 3,500 pound UTV power sport winch with automatic load holding brake, $130, normally $140, $10 off. Not for vertical lifting. Haulmaster 750 pound capacity folding cargo carrier, $100, $20 off. Pittsburgh's 20-ton hydraulic low-profile bottle jack at $45, only $60, 25% off. Jupiter's 3,000-watt continuous 6,000-watt peak modified sine wave power inverter at $280, $20 off. Viking 1,700 peak amp portable car battery jump starter and power pack at $160, normally $190, $30 off. Haulmaster again 400-pound capacity receiver mount aluminum motorcycle carrier at $145. Normally $160, $15 off. We have Icon Alert again, 400-pound capacity, 43-inch professional creeper, $110, down from $140, $30 off. With some decent Icon deals on here. $30 off of $140, 21, almost 22% off. Like what I'm seeing. Decent deal for the creeper. Now we just need some decent deals for some peeping. Pittsburgh 300-pound ATV lawnmower lift, $110, only $140, $30 off. Also just had a great deal on these. That's not too bad. $30 off of $140, 21% off is decent. Then we have Maddox McPherson strut spring compressor set, $25, 34% off. Great deal on this Maddox. They do go as high as 40% off here and there, but 34% off is good timing. Lawn and Garden, we've gone over this bundle. It starts tomorrow. Buy a 100-watt solar panel kit, get 30% off an additional 100-watt solar panel. Would really love to see this be buy one, and this is minimum. Buy one, get one free would be great, but that's essentially what, 50% off. But at least they're buying two. But it'd be like the buy one, get one 50% off. That's the one. But buy one, get one 30% off. Predator 3-inch 301cc gasoline engine full trash water pump, 23,000 gallons per hour, $800, normally $900, $100 off. Drummond 1.6 horsepower submersible utility pump, 1,600 gallons per hour, $55, normally $73, 24% off. Drummond 3/4 horsepower submersible utility pump stainless steel construction, 4,400 gallons per hour, $160, normally $190, $30 off. Then we have Bauer 3,000 psi. 1.1 gallons per minute, brushless max performance electric pressure washer, $340, $40 off, normally $380. One Stop Gardens 1,000-pound capacity mesh deck steel wagon at $80, normally $90, 11% off. And we have Portland 3.8 amp 13-inch electric string trimmer, $29, normally $33, 12% off. You have Armstrong's 37-inch to 70-inch large tilt flat panel TV mount at $15, 34% off. Union Safe Company 1.51 cubic feet electronic lock gun floor safe at $130, $20 off. Apache Alert, interesting. Apache 550 weatherproof clear case, $10, 28% off is super solid. Welding Schneider the 0.8 millimeter electrical solder, $15, 25% off. Good deal. Franklin's 2-in-1 convertible hand truck, 800 pound, 600 pound capacity, $80, $20 off. Franklin's 18-inch by 1,000-foot high performance stretch wrap at $25, 16% off. Hallmaster 10-inch pneumatic swivel caster, $16, normally $19, 15% off. Hallmaster 15-inch worry-free tire with polyurethane hub, $30, 14% off. And this ghost-looking Western Safety Emergency Rain Slicker, $3, normally $3.80, 21% off. Then we have some box frame levels. These also were on sale recently. Pittsburgh 48-inch box frame level, $12, 20% off. Then the Pittsburgh 9-inch solid aluminum level at $8, 20% off. Pittsburgh's 24-inch box frame level, $9, 18% off. And then the Pittsburgh 24-inch solid aluminum level, $17, 15% off. For painting, Avanti Premium Paint Kit 9-piece best quality at $14, normally $16, 12% off. These do go as high as 40% off or 50% off. I feel like I've seen the paint supplies. But those are the super coupons going through mid-April, end of March, mid-April. What do the HARBROs think? Some decent deals. We got the Spring Black Friday parking lot sale going. I feel like sometimes they hold off a bit on these to make sure people are enjoying the parking lot sale, but some decent deals. Let me know what the HARBROs think. I've been trying to work on, this is more channel related here on the back end, but I've been working on trying to set up my live stream to do our Build-A-Bag. So I'm getting close, so be on the lookout for that. And it'll essentially be using all the concurrent coupons that are going on, if it lines up with the parking lot sale or not. Build a bag, probably build a home DIY bag first, then a car DIY bag. I'm open to ideas, but the idea is we'll do a live stream, the HARBROs will join, whatever HARBROs join, and we'll go through all the coupons together, pick the best ones, have a budget set, maybe $50 to $100, and then we do a giveaway on the bag once we build it together. And I'll likely go make the purchases at Harbor Freight so we can go along. We'll give it a shot, but just heads up, I want to give an update on that. And I'll leave it at that, HARBROs. What do you think? Let me know in the comments about these new sets of super coupons. And as always, happy Harbor Freighting, happy shopping, good luck out there. Don't forget your free gifts. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.